Hello, Mr. Eric here. I hope everyone is doing well and that you are continuing to stay safe. These are uncertain times that we are all experiencing, but I am positive that we will all reunite soon. I thought I would take a nice stroll through the Cerritos sculpture garden. Since it is a nice day, why don't we celebrate by doing a story time? Today I'm going to read The Very Hungry Caterpillar by Eric Carle. Following the story time, Miss Rochelle will show you how to create a cute and simple caterpillar craft using a paper plate and crayons. First, a little history on the development of the story. The book was inspired by a hole punch. Now, to quote Mr. Carle, one day I was punching holes with a hole puncher into a stack of paper, and I thought of a bookworm. And so I created a story called A Week with Willie the Worm. Now, A Week with Willie the Worm was the original title for the book, The Very Hungry Caterpillar. When Mr. Carle sent his original story to his editor, she suggested that he use a main character that is more likable and fun and cute and fuzzy, like a caterpillar. Once his editor suggested a caterpillar as the main character, Mr. Carle immediately had this idea of using a big, beautiful, colorful butterfly to end the story. And that is how The Very Hungry Caterpillar came about. Now, I'm very excited. I really enjoy this book. It was written by Eric Carle and illustrated by him as well. So why don't we go ahead and read the book? Come follow me. All right. Now, Mr. Eric Carle's birthday is on June 25th. He was born the year 1929, so on the 25th of this month, he's going to be 91 years old. So another way to celebrate by reading The Very Hungry Caterpillar. So I hope you enjoy. There's our little caterpillar friend, making his way through the days of the week. Look at all that color. See all the holes there? It's inspired by the hole punching. All right, it's a sunny day. There's our little sun. In the light of the moon, a little egg lay on a leaf. Now there's the little egg, and there's the moon. One Sunday morning, the warm sun came up, and pop, out of the egg came a tiny and very hungry caterpillar. He's so hungry. He's gonna go search for some food now. He started to look for some food. There he goes. On Monday, he ate through one apple, but he was still very hungry. On Tuesday, he ate through 2 pears, but he was still hungry. On Wednesday, he ate through 3 plums, but he was still hungry. On Thursday, he ate through 4 strawberries, but he was still hungry. On Friday, he ate through 5 oranges, but he was still hungry. Wow, that little caterpillar is so hungry. On Saturday, he ate through 1 piece of chocolate cake, 1 ice cream cone, 1 pickle, 1 slice of Swiss cheese, 1 slice of salami, 1 lollipop, 1 piece of cherry pie, 1 sausage, 1 cupcake, and 1 slice of watermelon. Now, do you think he was still hungry? That night, he had a stomach ache. So now he overate. He ate too much. He's a little guy. He's a little guy. The next day was Sunday again. The caterpillar ate through 1 nice green leaf, and after that, he felt much better. Oh, look at him now. He's not so little anymore, is he? Wow, now he wasn't hungry anymore, and he wasn't a little caterpillar anymore. He was a big, fat caterpillar. He built a small house. There's his little house. It's called a cocoon. Around himself, he stayed inside for more than 2 weeks. Then he nibbled a hole in the cocoon, pushed his way out, and what do you think he's gonna be? He's gonna come out, he's gonna be a giant, beautiful butterfly. Wow, look at all those colors. Amazing. So beautiful. The end. All right, boys and girls. Now, since he did go through 7 days of the week while eating different foods, let's go ahead and sing our Days of the Week song. Alrighty? So, think about what today is. I'm gonna give you a second. What's today? What day of the week is it? Good. Now think about what comes after today. What's tomorrow? Good. What was yesterday? Good. Now let's sing it, starting with Sunday. Now we should have 7 days of the week, and it goes something like this. There's Sunday and there's Monday, there's Tuesday and there's Wednesday, there's Thursday and there's Friday, and then comes Saturday. Days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week, days of the week. Good job. Remember, 7 days of the week. So now let's say them all while counting at the same time. We have Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday. Now wiggle those little fingers like the very hungry caterpillar. Woo! Good job, boys and girls. Thank you so much for watching. This was so much fun. Now, stay tuned because we do have a craft, a very hungry caterpillar craft with Miss Rochelle next.
Hello, welcome to the beautiful Cerritos Sculpture Garden. My name is Miss Rochelle, and today we'll be creating a very hungry caterpillar craft. The materials you will need are a paper plate, glue, scissors, crayons, and a pencil. The first step for creating our caterpillar craft is creating the body. We're going to take a paper plate and fold it in half. Then you open it up. You're going to cut along the fold. Like this. Next, what you're going to do is you're going to cut along the line, like so. If you don't have a line on your plate, just make sure it's about 2 inches wide. Next, we're going to cut the ends to kind of give it a rounded look. Next, we're going to get our crayons to color the body. For mine, I used green and yellow. And for each segment, we're going to go between the two different colors. So right here, I use the color green for the first segment of the caterpillar's body. Next, I use yellow. And I'm going to alternate between the two colors to create the body of the caterpillar. And there we have the body for a caterpillar. Next, we'll get started on creating the head for the caterpillar. You take the other half of your paper plate and a pencil and make a big circle like this for the caterpillar's head. We're going to take the red crayon and color it in, but don't color it too dark because we have to color the face on top of the red. Okay, after you color it, you're going to cut it out. Then you're going to take your black crayon and color in the eyes. Then color in the mouth. And there you have your head for the caterpillar. Next, we're going to create the antennae for our caterpillar. So what I did is I just take the rest of the scraps and we're going to cut out 2 rectangles. Cut out 2 like this. And what I did for mine is I colored mine purple. Then you get your glue. Put a little bit of glue at the bottom. Just glue them to the back of the head. Like so. And then put glue on the back of the caterpillar's head. Then you're going to attach it to the body. And there you have your very hungry caterpillar. Thank you for joining me in creating a very hungry caterpillar craft. My name is Miss Rochelle, and I look forward to seeing you soon.